My crown is not even in the frame. Can't even see it. Hi, and thank you for watching. So today is my birthday. I am 30 years old today, and I love it. My dog's chewing a bone. I love everything about it. I couldn't be happier. It's my birthday today, but this is like the most, I don't want to say shallow, but this is like the surface of my birthday. You know what I mean? This channel is more about makeup and luxury and stuff like that anyway. I went to bed at like 1 o'clock in the morning, and I think I woke up at like 4, so I was really tired today. I napped. So my two favorite things about me are my name and my birthday. So like I love my name. I'm just like, it's my favorite name I've ever heard in my life. I love that. And then also I love my birthday. I love everything about it. I love that it's on the 13th. I love that my sweet 16 was on Friday the 13th and stuff like that. You know, I just love my October birthday. But on top of that, as if that wasn't enough to love, my birthday is like around homecoming season, so there's always really glam dresses, and they're usually on sale too. So I always hit up Macy's and find really inexpensive dresses, which I did this year as well. I go to dinner and I take all these like obnoxious photos. It's so fun. These are things I purchased for myself. Maybe a couple other presents are integrated in there. So I just wanted to share. I like talking luxury, but I like saving money. I'm not a trend follower. I'm a money saver. I'm no stranger to pre-loved fashion and stuff like that. So there are all different kinds of presents here. There are a lot more price points in luxury than you would think. Like not everything here is like thousands of dollars or even hundreds. Some of these are under 50. So it's all different. I can share the prices on the bottom if you like, because I think these are really good ideas for gifts for other people. So the first thing I'm going to show is not even in a box, and it is the Balmain t-shirt. Do I think it's necessary to have designer t-shirts? Absolutely not. Did I want one in my collection? Yeah, I do. I do like little kisses of luxury throughout my wardrobe. It's just something that I'm into, and I think you are too since you're watching this video. Sometimes I buy twillies as like neckties just to accessorize my outfits, and those are the same price as the t-shirt. So I was like, well, let's just look at this t-shirt. So this is Balmain, and this is in the size medium. It has this logo on here on a patch. Dun, dun, dun. I thought it was a lot more subtle than it was, because on the website it looked like this. It just must have been the light wasn't hitting it. You can definitely tell this is not a cheap t-shirt. My big pet peeve in the world are like those really starchy, boxy t-shirts that are just impossible to wear. And then it's like such a shame when it has like a logo that you like, a licensed t-shirt, and it's on that material of a shirt. Oh, I can't deal with it. It makes me sad. So this is really nice, really soft. If you're going to spend luxury money on a t-shirt, I think that black would be smarter to do, because if you spend this much on a white t-shirt, you probably get a little ticked because it'll stain and just show more wear, you know. And then we have a little box here from Saint Laurent, Saint Laurent. And it looks like a little jewelry box because it is, but inside there's this dust bag, and she's empty because I'm wearing the item. I could not wear this. So here's my little guy. Very dainty, cute. I love silver tone jewelry. It just so elevates an outfit when all of the hardware is matching. People who wear jewelry and then they have a purse and the hardware matches, or like even like a coat and then the zipper matches. I just love that. So I'm definitely going to be more intentional about my purchases and making sure that everything is silver, because I don't love gold unless it's on like Louis Vuitton or something. Usually I will purchase things with silver hardware. I just prefer it, silver, metal, whatever, regardless of what the metal actually is. If it's a silver color, I prefer it. And this is that. This is a package from Hermes. This actually was a gift, but I was there for the purchasing, so I know what it is. Here is the box. I love Hermes packaging. Ugh. And you'll never be able to recreate this bow. Super cute. Love this bow. This looks like a shoe box. It's not a pair of shoes. Here we go. This goes here. How cute is this? I love drinking tea. I love drinking coffee. I have a set of plates. I have a set of glasses. I have a set of glasses and just mugs. I like all mismatched and just from all different places in the world and stuff like that. So that will fit right in, and I'm really excited. If you want something Hermes, you still get that luxury feel, and you can get things, you know, the little knickknacks, and it doesn't completely break the bank. It's just a good gift idea if that's something that someone's into. Who doesn't like coffee? Now I'm going to show you guys a couple gifts. I purchased these a long time ago because I was going to do a gift guide. I just want to show you guys really great gifts under $50. You can do it in luxury with all this spectacular packaging and just that beautiful presentation. But yeah, so you get like all this Louis Vuitton. And then here is the item. I love orange and blue, even though it reminds me of the Knicks. Oh, it's a little envelope. There's leather on this envelope. How cute. Dun, dun, dun. So this is just a guide for Paris. This, I will say the price in the video. This is $37. So you can get that beautiful Louis Vuitton packaging and wrapping and all that. Oh. Oh. What? I'm not sure what these stickers are for. Maybe there's things to note in the books. I've never been to Paris. I wanted to go for my birthday. For now, I will watch Emily in Paris on Netflix. Not sponsored. I'm not Netflix affiliate. Now, Chanel is just one of those brands who's arguably stupid expensive, especially with their price increase that they just did. At the same time, it's one of those quintessential brands. Like when you hear Chanel, it's like, you sit up. I don't know. It's just, maybe not everyone has that. So to give a gift in this beautiful Chanel boxing with their Chanel packaging. This, I will also tell you, I think this is also $37. Correct me if I'm wrong. Myself, right here. I'll put the price if I'm wrong. You would think this was a $700 card holder or something like that. But this actually is more useful if you ask me. Look at this detail in the packaging. I love that. I ripped it. The tissue even says Chanel. Ta-da! Look at that presentation. You would think this is a bajillion-dollar item, and they would never know how little you spent. Wait, I don't even know what's in here. This dust bag has things inside. Comes with little samples. So this is Venice, and then the sublimage mask. This is the item that I purchased, and it is a mirror. For a gift, this I think is better than any makeup compact because you'd have to take a risk on getting their shade correct. And then once they run out, like you just kind of have to throw it away. So this you never have to throw. This has a nice little dust bag as well. Cute. And it is, ta-da! It's a little mirror. It's a double mirror. Give this to somebody to throw in their purse. How cute is that? They can even put it in this little felt guy if they want to, but I just think that this is such a good idea for a gift, and this for sure was under $50. You give someone the gift of Chanel, the beautiful packaging and experience of opening, and then you have something Chanel in your purse forever, and you know, it'll never run out. You can't get the wrong size, you can't get the wrong shade or anything like that. Who wouldn't like a present from Chanel? I enjoyed it and I bought it. This is the receipt. Just everything is so glam. This was a gift. So this comes with the dust bag. This actually was sent in the Fashion File dust bag because this is a pre-loved item from Fashion File. This dust bag actually was inside of it, but I wanted to have it in here because I like it. So, this is the Givenchy Antigona bag in the size medium, and it is in their sugar leather, which means it is that like grained leather, kind of like Chanel caviar. It's like that pebbled leather, which means that it does not show wear. So this will wear better over time, and I just love this so much. I cannot believe this bag. So this is not sponsored or anything, but I really like Fashion File because they have a rating system on there, so you know exactly what you're purchasing. You know, they have all the pictures of what you get. They rate the item. They explain it in text, and yeah, so this one was in excellent condition. I think this was $1,000 less than it sells for brand new. And how can you go wrong? This is so beautiful. It's black with silver hardware. I'm already using it. All my things are in here already. It's black with silver hardware, which I love. I just love the size of this. Oh, this dust bag was inside, and then the tags were inside of the purse as well. So it's Everything's authenticated. You never have to worry about that. It looks brand new. I think that this was from 2016 or something, if I remember correctly, on the Fashion File website. But look at it. It looks like no signs of wear. The hardware is impeccable and silver, which I love. I just love this bag. This was a huge surprise. I can't believe this is mine. Ugh, even just looking at it. I've been using this all day, but it still hasn't hit me that this is mine. I love it, love it, love it. Finally, we have this item. I just purchased this today. This obviously is from Louis Vuitton. I'm like super lucky, but I've only had the most impeccable experiences at Louis Vuitton. I always leave so happy, even when I don't buy anything. They're just so kind and helpful, but they're not like all up on you. Like, they give you space. I was really happy today. Nobody was like breathing down my neck. Nobody was like, what are you gonna buy? Like, what are you looking at? Like, what specifically are you looking at? And that's what we'll talk about. I got to look all around the store, even though I knew exactly what I was purchasing. And it's this. Personally, when I shop luxury, I like to have some kind of idea of what it is that I'm shopping for. I'll look on the website, I'll read reviews and stuff like that. I don't go in blind. I definitely don't impulse shop. I overthink everything. Oh, if you want to be really extra, this is a blank card on the front of the ribbon that you can write to somebody like that. It goes in here. How cute is that? I did not fill mine out. Goes this way. So this is the Monogram Shine Shawl in black. Look how big this is. Okay. All this. How cute is this? I love the colors. I love everything about this. I'm so excited to have this. So just some backstory on this. There was this woman in Victoria's Secret, and she was hands down the most beautiful woman I've ever seen in my life. And she was wearing this shawl. And that's just how easily influenced I am. And I just thought, I need a scarf. You can wear this in so many different ways. You can wear this in its triangle form. I'm in high school and everyone wore scarves like this. I really wanted something to cover my hair in the rain. Or when you're driving. I don't have my convertible anymore, but this would have been nice to have because my hair would go everywhere. I just looked at it to look and, you know, just remember that beautiful woman that I saw. But on the website, I saw them fold it skinny like this. And I was just sold. Like, you can do anything with this. This is it in half too. But you know what I mean? I love this thing. I could not be happier. You'll never run out of ways to wear this. I just want to take a nap. I really could. Francesca in her 30s is going to be very monochromatic, as if I haven't been already, but it's going to be even more so. I just think it's so signature. It's me. I've just really come into my own, and that's what I'm all about, is black, white, and gray. So I'm really excited about all the things I purchased.